সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নিন আমাদের চ্যানেলটি, বেল আইকনটি বাজিয়ে নিন নতুন নতুন ভিডিও পাওয়ার জন্য।
Today we on a Magic 2 unboxing and overview. Box bottom side barcode and SPS is here. Front side Magic name here. Okay, let's open the box. It's cover on plastic cover. Okay, see guys, front of box phone here, cool. More inside the box. USB cable and a C adapter, some booklets. No headphone here but 3.5mm adapter to USB-C type converter here. Let's look phone. On a Magic 2 features. An update to the original on a Magic, which launched in December 2016 with the Magic Live AI system. An 8-side curved display and 40 watts Magic charge. Magic 2 was confirmed in the final 10 minutes of the Honor Play launch event on the 30th of August. Honor didn't give away too much detail about the upcoming phone at the time, but confirmed it would feature the Kirin 980 chip, 40 watts Magic Charge V2, plus a full view display with sliding screen mechanism that opens a new world and reveals the selfie camera. It's a design we've since seen in last week's unveiling of the Mi Mix 3 from Xiaomi. Where it differs from Mi Mix 3, however, is in its inclusion of the AI assistant that was shown on video speaking in English. Xiaomi's Xiao AI is limited to Chinese only. You can relive the initial announcement in the video below at around 1 hour 20 minutes in. Since the August teaser, Honor has revealed more details about the Magic 2, including official press renders that show the available iridescent color options and confirm a triple lens, 16MP plus 24MP plus 16MP, rear camera and an in-display fingerprint sensor. With 3 cameras also expected to feature at the front in a 16MP plus 2MP plus 2MP configuration. This takes the total camera count for the Honor Magic 2 up to 6. From leaked benchmarks and a 10 listing, we also know that Magic 2 has a 6.39 in Full HD Plus, 2340 by 1080, 19.5 to 9 AMOLED display, Mali-G76 MP10 GPU, up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage. It runs Android 9.0 Pie with EMUI 9.0. The Kirin 980 is the same 7nm chip found inside Huawei's Mate 20 line, and incorporates 2 Cortex-A76 cores running at 2.6 GHz, 2 at 1.92 GHz, and 4 Cortex-A55s at 1.8 GHz. Paired with 8GB of RAM, the Magic 2 has been seen to record 9,534 points in Geekbench 4, 3,316 points single core.